System working principle. When system is in service state, the symbol of service state lights. At this moment, raw water flows into control valve through water inlet, from the top of valve core to valve body, and through top strainer to tank. Then down through resin layers to be softened water, through bottom strainer to return to riser pipe and up to valve body. Finally flow out from water outlet through outlet valve core. When surface flow rate reduces to 0, the system starts to regenerate. The motor controlled by main control board drives the big gear to rotate, and also drives moving disc which is fixed with shaft. With the change of relative angles of moving disc and fixed disc, the flow channels had been changed. When arrives at backwash state, the symbol of backwash state lights. Raw water flows into control valve through water inlet, from the top on inlet valve core, through riser pipe to the bottom tank. Then through bottom strainer to enter into tank. Under the influence of water flow, the rising layers has been loosened. The broken riser and the dirt flow out from drain outlet. When backwash time reduces to 0, then it is over. Motor controlled by main control board rotates, which makes the change of relative angles of moving disc and fixed disc. So the flow channel has been changed again. When arrives at the brine and slow rinse state, the symbol of brine and slow rinse lights. Raw water flows into control valve through water inlet, pass inlet valve core to inject inlet, flow quickly to inject outlet, which produces under pressure, so that the brine is sucked from brine tank through brine line connector to valve, then to tank. The brine is down through resin layer, through bottom strainer to riser pipe, then upward to valve body, outlet valve core, finally flow out from drain outlet. After brine sucked, raw water still flow into control valve from inlet, through inlet valve core, injector to tank, down through riser layers and the bottom strainer, upward riser pipe to outlet valve core, then flow out from drain outlet. When brine and slow rinse time reduces to 0, motor controlled by main control board rotate, which makes the change of relative angles of moving disc and fixed disc. So the flow channel has been changed. When arrives at faster rinse, the symbol of faster rinse lights. Raw water flows into control valve through water inlet, from the top of inlet valve core to valve body. Through top strainer to tank. The residual brine will flow out through bottom strainer, riser pipe, valve core and drain outlet. When faster rinse time reduces to 0, Motor controlled by main control board rotator, which makes the change of relative angles of moving disc and the fixed disc. So the flow channels has been changed. When arrives at brine refill state, the symbol of brine refill lights. Mostly parts of raw water enter into control valve through water inlet, inlet valve core, valve body, and top of tank into tank. Then down through rising layers to being softened water, through bottom strainer to tank to riser pipe, and upward to valve body, through outlet valve core to water outlet. Small parts of raw water through injector to fill into brine tank by electronic bore valve. At this time, the electronic bore valve should be opened. When it arrives at set time, brine refill is over, then enter into service state.